Okay, I had a hole in my arsenal. I wanted a small slash modest size tote bag that didn't overwhelm me and could be used professionally, not just carry it into work, but would look sharp in a meeting. And if I could somehow make it work as a weekend bag too, that would be awesome. And I think I found it. So American Crafter, new to me, Duvall out of Pennsylvania. This is the blood, sweat, and tears of Nick Duvall. This company was started in 2005, and this is my first product from them, so we are going to experience it together. While I open the box, I'm going to tell you, I love that they put it in a big box, because I always I don't know if cringe is the right word, but I always fret a little when I see the box come and my leather's sort of been crammed in there. I like my leather to breathe and spread out. Not that the leather would get hurt anyway, but I just love that it came in a giant box. So anyways, nice packaging so far, and let's get into it. Very cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm very excited. And I ended up getting a color that I don't normally get. You know, normally what I do is, holy moly, look at this bag. One second while I put this to the side. Look at this bag. It's so cute. I can't even stand it. So this is so perfect. This is the professional bag that I could go into a meeting with. And it's the super cute weekend tote for when you just want to run to the store, but you want to put more than your keys, your phone, and your wallet. And so I got this color, which is the red brown, that I'm super excited about. I'm going to bring it in just so you can see it. And the reason I wanted red brown was just a departure, because I'm always doing like tobaccos or blacks or something like that. And the detail is amazing. So this is my first product from them, and I'm loving these hammered rivets. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to do this. The craftsmanship on this is so nice. And normally you see the whole run of the handle, but here you don't. It's tucked in. This is the other reason I really liked it. Look, zippered, and zippered well. I'm not seeing the zipper. It's tucked down below. Look at this cute little zipper pull. I can't even stand it. And look, you know, normally you have to pinch it to open it. They've thought of that. Hopefully you are seeing that goodness. The leather is completely soft and rich, and they have this, gosh, it's a really nice bag, you guys. And they have this sort of rolled top here. I am digging this bag. Let me get into it. I always love unboxing because it feels so freeing just to open up your purse and like toss your trash just shamelessly on the floor like you're somehow justified. Holy, this is a nice bag. So I don't know that you're going to be able to appreciate the inside, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time on it, but this is just an unboxing. So it is unlined. Very nice suede on the inside, and they have a really generous pocket. Let me see if I can pull it out so you can at least see it. Oh yeah, you can see that pretty well. So they have a really generous pocket on one side that's zippered, obviously unanchored, so I was able to pull it out and show it to you. Wow. Again, the zipper pull. Ooh, it actually is, oh my gosh, that's so nice. So I didn't even notice at first. It's got a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. So a place to tuck my phone, and then an even more secure place for my wallet. Let me see if there's anything else I want to tell you in here. Ooh, okay, on this one, this handle, one of them extends down. Is that what that is? Yeah, and they attach to the handle, look at this, a little key fob. That is just about everything you need for the interior of a tote. This is so nice. And look, they even put this pull tab on the other side of the zipper so I can shut it. Look at that. Look at that craftsmanship. You guys, this is it. Look at this gorgeous So cute. My modest size professional tote. And you know I'm going to wear this thing on the weekends too. Look at this detail. That is just, that's some pride of craftsmanship right there. Anyways, Duvall Leatherworks out of Pennsylvania. You're going to be seeing some pics of this beauty on my Instagram while I test it out. And then I'll be back with a full review in a few weeks. This leather, holy, I'm going to bring it in just so you can see some of these gorgeous wrinkles. And then let me show you the back side. I mean, it's just leather that's sort of full of character, soft. Holy moly, this is a nice bag. Okay, so anyways, stay tuned for my full review. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, it's so cute. I can't even stand it. It's so cute. Look, look, look. It's so cute. It's so cute. This is so nice. So anyways, stay tuned for my full review. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, it's so cute. I can't even stand it. It's so cute. Look, look, look. It's so cute. It's so cute. This is so nice.